At first glance, it might sound like a question with an obvious answer. Why do we use Excel for business? But understanding the why behind the prolific use of Microsoft Excel in business gives business professionals context for the importance of developing competencies in Excel. As one of the most widely used computer software programs for business today, Excel is an important skill for all business professionals to have. A working knowledge of Excel is vital for most office-based professionals today, and the stronger the Excel skills you have can open more doors to promotion and leadership opportunity. So, what is Excel? At its core, Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows you to store, organize, and analyze information. Business professionals must learn Excel's powerful features. Excel's ability to manage the simplest to the most complex data has made it a staple in the professional world. Released in 1985, Excel has grown to become arguably the most important computer application in workplaces around the world. As far as software applications go, Excel has fundamentally altered business. Odd as it may seem, the first version of Microsoft Excel was designed for the Apple Macintosh. Originally, it was a DOS program. Excel was then released for Mac because of its graphical interface. Due to its unquestionable versatility, Excel is the most widely used software application in all of business today. So, why do we use Microsoft Excel? Excel is one of the greatest, most powerful, and most important software application used in business today. Excel provides the capacity to do complicated analysis to simple list management, and everything in between. Hence, Excel is highly used as a tool for nearly every facet of business. The bottom line, Excel's not going anywhere, and businesses will continue to use Excel as a primary tool for diverse functions and applications ranging from IT projects to company picnics. There are three primary reasons, however, that we use Excel in business. First, Excel is an analysis tool. Take budgeting, for example. Many companies, from big corporations to small organizations, use Excel for budgeting purposes. Research suggests that 70 to 80% of all corporations use Excel as their primary budgeting tool. Excel is a great analytical tool for business. From pivot tables to what-if analysis, the advantage over its competitors is that it's readily available to most business organizations today. Second, data management. Excel is commonly used to manage records. Further, Excel provides many functions and formula that will not only help you manage data or records, but also helps analyze data based on changing business environments. Through the use of Excel formulas, you can create comprehensive drop-down boxes to facilitate data inputs and reduce erroneous entries. And through the use of pivot tables, you can get a good detailed analysis of your stock movement or inventory level at any point in time. Third and finally, problem solving. Excel helps us solve problems. Finding break-even has never been more easy without Excel. To manually find a break-even point, you have to perform many calculations using different numbers as inputs. But with the goal seek function in Excel, the task can take just a few seconds. And that's just one example of the powerful problem-solving tools Excel has to offer. So, we've explored the reasons why we use Excel in business. By now, you understand that Excel is an inexpensive, easily accessible, and user-friendly business application. Now let's discuss how we use Excel in business. Specifically, how do business professionals use Microsoft Excel in their functional areas and specialties? Take the financial world, for instance. If you walk through the finance or accounting department of any major office, you'll see computer screens filled with Excel spreadsheets. For finance folks, advanced formulas in Excel can turn manual processes that took weeks to complete in the 1980s into something that only takes a few minutes today. Most users know that Excel can add, subtract, multiply, and divide quite easily. But it can do so much more with advanced if functions that are coupled with functions like VLOOKUP, index match or match, and much more. While marketing teams might look to their finance folks to do the heavy lifting for financial analysis, using Excel to list customer and sales targets can help marketers manage a sales force and plan future marketing plans based on past results. Using a pivot table, marketers can quickly and easily summarize consumer data or sales data by category with a quick drag and drop. And in one final example, HR folks can use Excel in powerful ways. While database systems like Oracle or SAP can be used to manage payroll and employee information, exporting data into Excel allows users to discover trends, summarize expenses, make reports, and so much more. HR professionals can use Excel to take a giant spreadsheet full of employee data and understand exactly where costs are coming from and how to best plan and control those costs in future labor decisions. Now, these are just a few examples of how we use Excel in business, but hopefully this presentation has enlightened you to the power of Excel, its accessibility, and its versatility in business today.